If your career is stuck like a paused X-ray, it's time to hit play with our course. Introducing Topper's Note, Medical Physics of Diagnostic Radiology. This isn't just any course, it's your gateway to becoming a radiology expert. Dive into modules crafted by top-notch professionals, designed to make complex concepts crystal clear. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our course adapts to you. Imagine acing your exams, impressing your peers, and elevating your career, all with the knowledge you'll gain here. Packed with interactive lessons, real-world examples, and practical insights, it's like having a personal tutor on demand. Join thousands of satisfied students who've transformed their careers. Don't just learn, master medical physics in radiology. Enroll today and take the first step toward unlocking your full potential. Topper's Note, Medical Physics of Diagnostic Radiology. Because your future in radiology deserves the best.